폭력적인 남편 때문에 힘들어하던 조이.
Open the fucking door!
6개월 후 그녀는 남편을 벗어나 새 삶을 살아가려 합니다.
Joy, what's going on? Let's go! Hi. That's Tara. Looks like you didn't sleep again. Can we just get out of here before I change my mind?
친구 카르멘과 함께 치료 모임에서 열리는 하이킹에 참석하려는 조이.
Did you like the flowers I sent you? You didn't need to do that. 6 months free from that asshole deserves a celebration.
Whatever's up, you need to get that shit in check. 20 years into this friendship, I think I can tell when my friend is having a meltdown.
I think there's something sick about going back into your past. What if doing that is more traumatic?
But if you face it head on, you're less likely to repeat it.
Sometimes just enough already.
하지만 조이는 하이킹을 떠나는 것이 마음에 내키지 않는데요.
How long have you been coming on these retreats?
You're new, so I'll break it down. If the hood is down, talk to him, huh? Leave him alone.
Where'd you hear that? Drive past the sign and keep driving for 20 minutes.
그때
Watch out! Oh my God, for a second I thought that was...
Sorry to scare you. Looking for my dog. Any chance you saw it?
트라우마가 떠오른 조이. 조이는 남편과의 안 좋은 기억이 계속 떠오르죠. 얼마 후 목적지에 도착한 세 사람.
Don't be scared. It's just a release exercise. Helps get tension out of the body.
That's Dr. Dunley.
Uh-huh. No signal.
Welcome to the Stone Age, baby. You can do this. He can't hurt you out here.
You've arrived. You must be Joy.
Hi.
Dr. Carol Dunley.
It's nice to finally meet you, Carol.
Welcome to our group. It's not easy to leave the comfort of your lives behind, but risk equals growth.
That's where we're going? That's where we're going.
That's pretty steep.
걱정을 하며 사람들을 따르는 조이.
Alcoholic, sex addict, drugs, coke.
I'm a psychopath. What's your deal?
Okay, Shayna, she's new. It's all good.
Okay, fine. I used to be in the army. I'm bitter, full of rage, and self-aware.
My ex was a dick. He attacked me. What was this, the trauma Olympics?
잠시 후 피 묻은 카메라를 발견한 사람들.
Tapped like a bear. Heads up.
Bear spray?
Worst case scenario, that's our best defense.
Did you put that here? I mean, is that part of the treatment?
Does it scare you?
Yes.
And it's part of the treatment.
Let's keep it moving.
그날 밤 조이는 악몽에 시달립니다. 계속해서 하이킹을 떠나는 사람들. 조이는 이상한 기운을 느끼기 시작하는데요.
Hey guys, stop. Listen.
What in the hell?
Smells like hell. It's just natural gases.
Is all the water like that?
This place is full of water.
There's gonna be another creek up ahead.
이상한 기운에 계속 신경 쓰이는 조이.
It's a trust exercise. You gotta trust me. Up. Put it up, you fucker.
Shayna, what are you doing? I want some quiet. Thanks.
Joy!
Derek? You okay?
You didn't hear that?
What?
조이는 훈련 도중 남편의 환청을 듣고 놀라게 되죠.
Do you even know where we are? Have you even been here before?
Not to this exact spot, but I know these parts really well. Joy, there's no coming to consciousness without pain and discomfort.
What was that?
Are you honestly comfortable not knowing where we are?
But if this is about something else,
I
think he might be following us. In the forest, back there, I heard him.
Joy, I was right beside you. I didn't hear anything. We both know that you've been having flashbacks.
조이의 말을 믿어주지 않는 카르멘. 한편 타라도 환영을 보며 이상한 기운을 느끼게 되는데요.
Tara, who did you see?
Probably just a shadow, Joy. It's fine.
Okay. I used to see things, probably just an animal or something, I don't know.
I heard something earlier. I heard something. It feels like something or someone is watching us.
점점 두려움에 떠는 조이.
Oh my God!
What happened to it?
Might have been dead before whatever got it.
We shouldn't be here.
It's nature. We're not here to
박사는
interfere
두려워하는
with it.
조이를
We just stick to
진정시킨
our
후
protocol.
일정을 강행하죠. 계속해서 하이킹을 하는 사람들. 조이는 또다시 라이터 소리를 듣게 되지만 애써 무시한 채 일행들을 따라갑니다. 계속해서 느껴지는 이상한 기운과 환청들.
Joy!
Is this whole trip just an elaborate way for you to scare the shit out of us?
Do you know what my biggest fear is?
What?
Doing harm to my patients. And also, I can assure you that this place is safe. Well, it's my understanding that people once came here to do healing ceremonies.
잠시 후 조이는 환청과 함께 남편의 모습까지 보게 되는데요. 플래시백에 시달리다 이상한 형체를 보는 조이. 그때 카르멘이 다가와 그녀를 진정시키죠.
It's like it was in my head.
Was it a bear?
It's completely natural to backslide after you've made some progress.
Or there's something out there. Something caused
The
this.
same thing happened to Tara. I saw it.
It wasn't like a normal flashback.
I know it doesn't feel like it, but you can overcome this.
계속해서 조이를 진정시키는 박사. 그날 밤
Don't stop.
또다시 악몽에 시달린 조이. 잠에서 깬 조이는 숲속을 살펴보다가 카르멘과 타라를 마주칩니다.
What are you guys doing out here?
Nightmares.
Me too. There was a man, but he wasn't really. All I could make out were like a bunch
Shadows.
of rotting wounds.
I had the exact same dream.
It's like just being here does something to us.
Okay, let's talk to Dudley and Shayna first thing in the morning.
Can I sleep with you guys tonight?
Yeah, of course.
다음 날 아침 보이지 않는 타라.
Hey, did you see Tara get up? Did you see Tara get up?
Oh no, you slept in. No,
Tara?
that fucking mall rat. There goes all our food.
What? There's no way Tara did this.
Something must have triggered her.
No, something is going on. We all had the same nightmares. She was so scared she slept in her tent.
혼자서 타라를 찾아 나서는 박사.
Tara?
그때 이상한 소리가 들려오고 박사도 환영을 보게 되는데요.
Hurry up! Slow down and make a plan.
Over there. Look. Oh my God. We have to go. We have to go back. We have to get home. We have no time.
It's not safe.
She could be up there somewhere.
We have to go back. Shayna, we have
Shayna, wait.
혼자서 박사를 찾으러 올라간 셰이나. 셰이나는 박사의 잘린 발을 본 후 전쟁 중에 겪은 끔찍한 기억을 떠올리며 괴로워하죠. 잠시 후 절벽에서 떨어진 셰이나.
Where is she? Carmen, I don't see her.
두 사람은 셰이나를 찾기 시작하지만 그녀는 보이지 않는데요.
Oh my God.
얼마 후 동굴을 발견한 두 사람.
What is that?
Do you smell that?
동굴 안으로 들어간 두 사람은 타라를 발견합니다.
Where are the others? Joy, just take her. It's fine. Go!
잠시 후 박사의 목소리가 들려오고
Darling, can you reach me?
그때 누군가에게 끌려간 박사. 카르멘은 이상한 생명체를 발견하는데요. 급하게 도망치는 조이와 타라. 카르멘은 끔찍한 괴물과 마주하게 되죠. 심각한 부상을 입은 타라. 카르멘은 괴물을 피하기 위해 절벽 아래로 몸을 던집니다. 다행히 목숨을 건진 카르멘. 하지만
Joy! Joy is behind you! Joy!
두 사람 뒤에 괴물이 나타나고 세 사람은 나무 더미에 몸을 숨기는데요.
Maybe it's giving up. No, it's bleeding us out.
그녀들을 위협하는 괴물. 한참 후 타라의 상태가 안 좋아지고
It'll wait until we come out. Not until this thing attacks me. Give me some space. I'm warm.
타라는 자진해서 괴물을 유인하러 나가죠. 타라의 희생으로 무사히 밖으로 빠져나온 두 사람.
Joy, I don't think I can go much further like this.
텐트로 가서 치료를 받는 카르멘.
Ready? Okay. It has been 6 months since I saw Terry. He was at my place the morning we left.
6 months of freedom. So proud of you. Echo, Carmen.
I have to go soon.
Keep working things out, you know?
Last night shouldn't have happened.
Well, you seemed happy. You invite me in.
No, I didn't invite you in. You showed up at my door crying, and I thought you just wanted to talk, and
또다시 당하지 않기 위해 남편을 내리쳤던 조이.
How long have you been fucking lying to me about seeing him? I haven't been like. It wasn't like I was seeing him. It was just he kept calling. Your pockets fucking called Joy. I did. He kept showing up and begging to talk to me. And he just wore me down. I don't know. This was your last chance, Joy.
카르멘은 자신의 노력이 모두 헛수고였다고 느끼며 허탈해합니다.
I just really want to go home.
그때 괴물에게 끌려가는 카르멘. 조이는 서둘러 카르멘을 뒤쫓지만 그녀를 놓쳐버리는데요. 카르멘을 구하기 위해 동굴로 향하는 조이. 조이는 카르멘의 소리를 따라 좁은 동굴 안으로 들어가죠. 그때 눈앞에 보이는 셰이나의 머리. 잠시 후 조이는 또다시 라이터 소리를 듣게 되고 자신에게 다가오는 괴물에게서 남편의 모습을 보게 됩니다.
I'm okay, hon.
I'm so sorry.
남편의 모습이 투영된 괴물을 해치우는 조이. 두 사람은 간신히 동굴을 탈출하는데요.
You still have those painkillers at your place? We're going to the hospital. He's still there. We have to know.
카르멘의 진심 어린 충고에 조이는 굳게 다짐을 하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 이 작품은 치유 모임 프로그램으로 하이킹을 떠난 사람들에게 벌어지는 예기치 못한 상황을 그린 공포 스릴러 영화 다크네이처입니다. 영화의 중반까지는 숲에 들어선 사람들이 초자연적인 현상으로 인해 자신의 트라우마를 다시 떠올리며 공포스러운 상황에 처하게 되는 작품인 줄 알았는데요. 하지만 중반 이후 괴물이 등장한 후 갑자기 크리처물로 전환되면서 사람들이 숲속에서 느낀 환청, 환영들과 괴물의 연관관계가 제대로 설명되지 않아 아쉬움이 남은 작품이었죠. 크리처물을 좋아하시는 분들에게 추천드리는 영화입니다. 그럼 다음 영화에서 또 함께 지려봐요.